We will tell you the 10 steps by which you could become rich without effort. These are the real steps which are really effortless and can make you rich easily. Watch this video till the end, or you may miss the important guidelines. Now let's start. 1. Keep a low budget. Keep your spending under control, but few take this counsel to heart. The goal of many is to spend as much as they can. In most parts of the industrialized world, this is true, whether for not other reason than to enjoy the illusion of greater wealth than one actually has. Based on responses from 7,000 U.S. homes, a survey by the Pew Charitable Trust found that 55% of Americans either break even or spend more than they earn every single month. 2. Set aside 20% of your salary. A third of Americans do not have any savings at all. However, you should set aside 20% of your salary as a savings rate. Although this is old news, how many individuals really take it to heart? In this case, the phrase "pay yourself first" is quite significant. Some people don't see the value in this, while others see that it serves as both an emergency reserve and money for when opportunities arise. You need money to grab the proper chance when it comes your way. You figuratively miss the boat if you don't have the funds. Nearly half of all Americans do not have any savings for retirement, according to another survey. Not to mention that 70% of the population is living paycheck to paycheck, with less than $1,000 saved and just one major unexpected expense away from financial ruin. If you want to know the best financial tricks and tips, then do press the subscribe button and also the like button. 3. Keep a close eye on spending. Pay close attention to each and every dollar you spend, not merely the major outlays. You need a fine-tooth comb to keep track of all your expenses. Beware of little expenses, Benjamin Franklin admonished. As the saying goes, a great ship sinks due to a small leak. Paying close attention to detail will pay off in the end, no matter how tempting it is to brush it off. You don't need a gym membership anymore, so cancel it. Cut the cord on that expensive cable package. When you're already strapped for cash, there's no need to treat yourself to pricey lattes and restaurant meals. Any purchase, no matter how big or little, can be tracked with the help of an app or a little notebook. Use publicly available tools to create a graph showing those costs over time. Track the whereabouts of your funds. Every month, how much of that would you be able to save instead of spending foolishly? 4. Get rid of bad debt. I want to be clear, not all debt is negative. Having some debt is a good thing. Bad debt includes other types of debt, such as loans with high interest rates or revolving credit card balances. Eliminating bad debt is an absolute must. This is particularly true if your only action is to make the monthly installments. Putting most of your money into paying interest on money you've spent is a surefire way to never become rich. Pay off the loan or credit card with the highest interest rate first by making twice the minimum payment each month. You should start saving up as soon as you pay off your bad debt, not your good debt, such as mortgages on investment properties or loans to expand your business. The key is to hold off on buying a new car or taking a vacation once you're out of debt. Keep your mind sharp. 5. Own the place you live in. A home is the most valuable asset for the majority of people, but most people around the globe rent rather than own their houses. You should definitely own the roof over your head if you're serious about your finances, even though renting on a temporary basis isn't horrible. Renting is like paying someone else's mortgage. It won't make you rich quick, but it's a start. Actually, you're enhancing the wealth of another individual. To buy a property, you should do whatever is necessary. Gather all of your financial documents and meet with a mortgage broker. Get your objectives straight and make a strategy. It might sound difficult, but it is actually not, and moreover, there are many sources available on the net to help you. Find out how much money you'll need to buy a house, even if you don't have a down payment saved up just yet. Spending on a mortgage, however, is significantly better invested than paying rent, especially when looking at the big picture. 6. Identify your vices. We are unable to accomplish many of our objectives because of our bad habits. They impede our efforts to reduce weight, increase our income, save, invest, and do everything else imaginable. Get rid of those harmful habits if you want to move forward in life. In order to avoid a downward cycle, you must break the harmful habits. Achieving something that demands a lot of your energy, like becoming wealthy, isn't easy unless you kick your poor habits. I'm not limiting this to bad money habits. I'm referring to any habit that saps your strength, whether it's psychological, emotional, or physical. Obviously, breaking poor habits isn't the only way to succeed. It's also important to adopt good habits in life and business so that you can achieve your goals automatically and with very little effort. 7. Make a target for each day. Rich people have lofty aspirations. You can't just declare your desire to be wealthy, though. To begin, you must have a precise figure and a concrete deadline by which you will have accomplished that. That's the overall view. Beyond the broader perspective, it is essential to establish objectives every day. Setting small, attainable goals every day will help you reach your long-term objectives. To make the large picture less intimidating, break it down into smaller, more manageable daily objectives. If you want to amass $10 million in the next 5 to 10 years, for instance, you should calculate the steps you need to take every day to get there. Obviously, if you start out at ground zero or worse, you will have a terrible time saving towards that big objective of being rich. Nevertheless, the power of compound interest is immense, so even if you are unable to save enough, you may still invest wisely with the money you do have and earn substantial returns. 8. Make good use of your time. Life on Earth is finite for every single one of us. Time is a scarce commodity. No one has more of it than everyone else. No one has more time than you do, regardless of how powerful they are. A politician, a business magnate, a famous athlete, etc. There is no equalizer in life like time. But the most important thing is to make the most of the time we have. Each and every one of those priceless moments has the potential to be frittered away. Spending time on pointless activities will never lead to financial success. If you want to achieve your goals, you need to learn how to manage your time wisely. 9. Make a huge impact by adding value. Adding enormous value on a constant basis is crucial if you want to become wealthy, regardless of the method you use to generate money, whether it's online or offline. Those who have made the biggest contributions to society have also become the wealthiest. If you feel that it might be time-consuming, then you are completely wrong. This is not at all a thing where you need to put a lot of effort. Doing the greatest work for the least reward initially is one of the most basic success concepts, but that's just the way it is. Finding a magic formula to become wealthy fast, or with little work, is an exercise in futility. A lot of dishonest marketers target people who are seeking easy ways to make money. The thing is, it's non-existent. Building wealth requires consistently producing enormous value over an extended period of time. 10. Create several ways to get money without actively doing anything. The key to financial independence is establishing a number of passive income sources. When accumulating money, passive income is crucial. To put it simply, if you want to amass a large fortune, you must find a way to make money automatically. You could put into action a number of strategies that generate passive income. If you can afford the hefty starting costs, some of the more popular options include investing in real estate or collecting dividends. Starting a blog, making digital products like ebooks or courses, or even making online lessons are just a few examples of how some people choose to generate passive income. Passive income allows you to accomplish the task once and receive payments repeatedly, regardless of your choice of endeavor. Now, if you want to know more about passive income ideas, then subscribe to our channel because tomorrow we will upload a video on this topic. Till then, watch the video appearing on the left side to know how you could become rich in just 5 years.